I almost paid for Suno after hearing one song. I'm really glad I didn't. At least, not immediately. Because after a few days of using it, I realized the thing that sells you on Suno isn't the same thing that makes you keep paying for it. The first song I generated was honestly kind of ridiculous. I typed maybe 2 lines describing the style I wanted, hit generate, and less than a minute later, I had something that sounded way better than I expected. I actually played it twice, not because I was testing it, just because it was catchy. Then I got greedy, I started making different genres, rock, country, EDM, cinematic stuff. That's when I noticed something. Some songs felt like they could have been on Spotify. The very next generation, not so much. It's a little unpredictable, and honestly, that's part of using AI music right now. Then I changed how I was prompting. Instead of writing, make a pop song, I described the mood, instruments, vocals, tempo, basically the feeling I wanted. Huge difference. Same tool. Much better results. Nobody had really explained that. One thing did annoy me though. Sometimes I get a melody I loved, but the lyrics weren't great. Other times the lyrics were solid and the music wasn't doing it for me. I found myself generating multiple versions and mixing ideas instead of expecting the first one to be perfect. If you're comparing Suno with Udio, I'd say they're closer than people make them sound. Some tracks I preferred from Suno. Some I liked better from Udio. I don't think there's a universal winner. Now, would I pay for Suno? If you're making music every week, probably. If you're just curious because everyone on social media is talking about it, I'd stay on the free plan first. One thing nobody tells you before buying it is this. The subscription doesn't magically make your songs better. Your prompts do. Once I figured that out, the quality jumped way more than I expected. That's probably the biggest lesson I took away after using it for a while. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.